Hi everybody, welcome to an edition of Yo on the Go. Today I'll be talking about my intercooler. So I'm super excited. I just ordered intercooler for my Mustang, Rocinante. As you know, this turbo Mustang has a compressor, which is turbocharged engine that compresses the air to a very high pressure, about 10 to 20 psi, depending on how hard I push the engine. When you increase the pressure of any kind of air, it increases in temperature. PV equals nRT. And so as I'm increasing that, it's not so good for the engine to have hot air going through, and so, because you get pre-detonation, you get pull timing, and the performance is lowered. So you need to cool that. And what they have is an intercooler, something in between the turbo and the actual engine. This intercooler, the stock intercooler on the turbo Mustang, is woefully inadequate. And so there's been numerous upgrades that you can get in order to make that much better. Either a full-up front-mounted intercooler or one that fits in the stock location, but it's really double the capacity. And what that does is that it lowers my charge air temperature down to one that gives me very uniform ability to perform in this vehicle. So I'm super excited to do that. There's going to be some modifications. I'm going to have to take the front part of Rossi off. Hopefully Scott, my buddy, will be able to help me with that. And then we'll be able to install this, take out the stock intercooler and put in a new one. So we'll be sharing that with you really soon. Wanted to share that this is something that we can all do, in our daily lives, is not only try to upgrade our cars, but also try to upgrade ourselves to learn new things. And that's really why I got this turbo Mustang, was to really learn about how internal combustion engines work, how to change things, how to modify it. It's something that I've never really experienced before, and I wanted to have a test vehicle to be able to learn how these things work. The electric vehicles are typically pretty straightforward. There's a battery, there's a charging mechanism, and a bunch of motors. But with internal combustion engines and with all of the electronics associated with these today, they're pretty complex machines that warrant some study. For anything, just to be able to understand something new. And so I'm excited to see what's going to happen once we get that intercooler in, and I'll be sure to report it. So hope this was useful to you. Until next time, bye.